3532. Why is the trees are like standard? All the others are like...
Yeah, they're normal. Hello, Hortykim here. The beautiful winter day in Dunedin, New Zealand. I'm with the class of 2019 horticulture students. And there you can see in the distance the iconic Harbour Cone. And we are working with Lala Frasier today. Lala, where are we?
You're actually on the Harbour Cone block. We're on the top corner. It's actually quite a large farm, and we've been working revegetating the two catchments on either side of the ridge. Stewart's Creek is pretty well finished, and now we're working on Smith's Creek. We started on Smith's Creek about 2013.
Wow. Okay, so how long has Stop or Save the Otago Peninsula been going?
Since 1980,
Wow.
but we've actually been planting for about the last 30 years.
Okay.
Not originally, it was bush remnants that we managed to get fenced, and then we turned our eyes to wetlands and also dune areas.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's we got involved with yellow-eyed penguins at one stage, and Yellow-eyed Penguin Trust grew out of Save the Otago Peninsula.
Oh wow, that's really interesting.
And then we got involved with the geckos.
Oh neat.
Jeweled geckos, but particularly once the poaching got started.
Mm-hmm.
So we work on a jeweled gecko habitat as well.
Have you ever seen
jeweled
one?
Gecko habitats.
Have you been lucky enough to see one, Lala?
Well, yes, but I'm hopeless at finding them. I need to have an expert there to actually see them. They need to be sitting out in full sunlight for me to actually find them. They're just so difficult to recognise.
Right. Oh, neat. Well, it's really important work. So have you been doing this since it started?
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing.
Well, we started originally to object to save Aramoana, to the Aramoana becoming a
subdivision?
An aluminium smelter.
Oh, okay. Oh.
And when there was so much opposition, they suggested some alternatives, and one of those was Okia. And so Save the Otago Peninsula started because they didn't want to see an aluminium smelter at Okia.
No.
And when that threat went away, not because of our politicking, I have to say, but because of economic reasons, we thought maybe we should stop. But then there was a survey permit taken over Harbour Cone, a large area of Harbour Cone for gold. Mm-hmm. And so we objected through the courts to them being allowed to even look for gold, given that if you look for it and you find enough to make it viable, why then would you not
keep going?
Well, give approval for it to be mined.
Oh no, that we couldn't live without the Harbour Cone.
You know, they assured us that, you know, when we told them how important Harbour Cone was, they assured us that they would just put it back the same way afterwards.
Yeah. So do you get paid big bucks?
I'm a volunteer.
You
I'm
are?
retired now, so...
Wow, okay. So it's a not-for-profit?
It is definitely a not-for-profit. We don't have any paid staff at all.
Okay.
And all our projects are paid for by grants or donations.
Well, thank you for your hard work, and thank you for inviting us out today.
Oh, it's been a pleasure.
We've had a lovely time.
To have you here.
The students have planted. How many trees and shrubs did we plant today, Lala?
About 50.
About 50.
Yeah, I think it might have been 48 to 49, but
cool.
It was close on 50.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.